I'm Wendy Gardner and I'm going to give you a very quick demo on how to use this really functional and useful bit of kit. It's a Fiskars scissor sharpening tool. That's all it is. It's very, very, very simple. So what we have here is the tool and you just pass the scissors through it. So if I turn it around, I've got Fiskars scissors here. I've got Fiskars scissors and little snips. But you can use this for any scissors, right-handed scissors, and you can use it on general purpose paper cutting, dressmaking shears, etc. Don't use it on serrated blades. So it is for your regular blades on any kind of scissor that's right-handed. So how do you use it? Easy. You open the scissors up, put them into the grooves on there, and just sort of close them as you pull it through. And that's it. That's all you do. And I can do the same thing with these little ones. So what you have in there is you sort of have sharpening blades on the middle. I'm just doing it 3 times. And then that will cut them and sharpen them. And then, having got nice sharp scissors, you can cut nice and sharp. Right to the very tip. Look, I'm just using the tip and I'm cutting little tiny bits out of it. Or if I were going to cut little wedges out of this, you can just see the little wedges being cut. So when you're going around circles and things and you need to cut out little pie-shaped wedges to go around the curve nicely. And the same with these ones. Again, I've just cut this. So now they're lovely and sharp. And I can use them to snip threads, snip fabric edges and cut nice little bits. So you can really get into it nicely because you've got nice sharp scissors. And it's as simple as that. That's all it is. That's all you need. A very simple little tool. And you can sharpen any of your right-handed scissors.